Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thank you for watching the Duranified channel. My name's Alfredo Duran. In this video, we're going to be comparing the marketing video that was posted in Hubsan.com about the Zino 2, and the specific section that I'm going to focus on is on that low light capabilities of the Zino 2 camera, and I'm going to compare it to the Fimi X8 videos that I've created and see what they look like. I'm very interested to see what they look like compared to the X8 SE, right? So the Fimi X8 SE. I know it's not a fair comparison, but that's all I have. So let me jump into this website here and let me hit the screen recorder here, and then I'm going to hit play.
Endowing an outstanding capability to capture light and shadow. The dual DSP hardcore unit guaranteed the ability to process 4K video data. Help you to experience the rich in beauty for city. Free to adjust the color and shooting parameters, with customizable color and white balance when taking photos and videos. Present your creative blockbusters with color. Upgraded AI image follow.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the video and stop the screen capture. And then I am going to put this video together, and we're going to examine the differences between the two, or you guys be the judge of this video and let me know. So let me get started on that. I'll see you guys on the other side of the video. Okay, so I'm here at the other side of the video. What did you think? The Fimi X8 SE looks very nice, right? But so does the Zino 2. Not a fair comparison because I'm grabbing a screen capture of a video from a website versus using the Fimi X8 4K 24 frames a second shot in F-Log, right? And then I color graded here to kind of match what they had on their website. All right, as usual, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like the contents, hit that subscribe channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in future videos. Bye-bye.